So it is important that we are aimed towards the sanchita or the warehouse, not just the prarabdha. So these words you picked up from the books here, there, or maybe even I've used these words sometime. So, there are troubles anyway. We are coming out with a book called Karma Sutras, being published by Random House in United States. Will come out in the month of February 2021. Virus, post-virus, you know. Because virus is our prarabdha, it's not our sanchita. We want to burn it up and then do the rest. So this is called as Karma Sutras because there are simple, fundamental rules as to how to handle your karma. Don't pick up vocabulary which could confuse you. You clearly understand this. It is only because you have a certain amount of conscious and unconscious memory, you're able to function, isn't it? Now when we say prarabdha, we are talking about that dimension of memory which is right now on within you, making you the kind of person that you are, making you do many things that you're doing, your talents, your capabilities, your incapabilities, your fears, your anxieties, everything is because of your prarabdha. If you burn this up, when you come to a certain point, it may feel like absolute freedom because your fears are gone, your anxieties are gone, this is gone. Many of you have gone through these phases. I shouldn't be talking to you like this, I should speak this only in the Sadhguru in close. But I'm like this. I don't know where I'm in close, where I'm out close. I'm always in close, this is the problem. Anyway, the video department will decide what is in close, what is out close from now on. So, people around me are always experiencing this, that a time will come, their sadhana is, reaching a place, suddenly they become very peaceful, very nice, healthy and well. Suddenly unexplained levels of struggles and problems all of a sudden. What happened? My spirituality has failed, Sadhguru has ditched me. All kinds of things. No, it is just that because we saw you're handling your software comfortably, next download happened. Why should we call it a download? Let's call it an upgrade. Software upgrade happened. It became more complex. Any upgrade is more complex than the existing software, isn't it? Do I understand correct? It's more complex. So, a software upgrade happened. So now you're confused, you think Sadhguru ditched you, or suddenly this process is not working, you must go somewhere else and learn something else. You idiot, it's working. What to do?